Automation Direct offers VFDs for any application. The IronHorse ACG drives are a super affordable drive with high-end features including flying start, kinetic energy buffering, built-in dynamic braking, and they meet the stringent standards of UL 61800-5-1 and MIL 217 Plus to improve safety and reliability. Flying start allows a motor that is already spinning to be started or restarted. Kinetic energy buffering allows regenerative voltage from the motor to charge the bus to help ride through temporary power losses. These ACG drives are available in 230 volt from 1/2 to 20 horsepower and 460 volt from 1/2 to 30 horsepower. And all can be operated on single-phase power with appropriate derating. All ACG drives come with a built-in potentiometer, easy wiring screw terminals, 2 relay outputs, and 5 horsepower and smaller drives even have a built-in DIN rail adapter. Since the ACG drives are part of the IronHorse family, they share the same intuitive menu structure, similar parameters, and the same free VFD suite software. And most of the videos for the other IronHorse drives will work on the ACG drives, reducing the learning curve. You can add a remote keypad and a dual-port, dual-purpose Ethernet module that adds Modbus TCP and Ethernet IP. Free 2-day shipping, free tech support, and a 45-day money-back, no questions asked return policy makes it easy to try one today at AutomationDirect.com, providing you with the products and support you need, making Automation Direct the #1 value in automation. Click here to see all IronHorse drive videos, and click here to buy drives for your applications.